Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to explore one of the most talked about topics in the financial world, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital currency that has been making headlines for its rapid rise in value, but what exactly is it? Let's find out. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates on a peer-to-peer network. It was created in 2009 by an unknown person using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin allows for transactions to be made without the need for a central bank or intermediary. One of the unique features of Bitcoin is that it uses a decentralized ledger called a blockchain to record all transactions. This means that every transaction is recorded in a secure and transparent manner, making it difficult to counterfeit or manipulate. Another key feature of Bitcoin is its limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in circulation, which gives it a sense of scarcity and value. Bitcoin can be bought and sold on various cryptocurrency exchanges and can also be used to purchase goods and services from merchants who accept it as payment. In conclusion, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates on a peer-to-peer network. It uses a blockchain to record all transactions and has a limited supply of 21 million coins. While it has been a controversial topic in the financial world, it has also shown potential as a new form of currency and investment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this topic.